his life history, Mathur Brahman's life history. And especially Gopakumar told, you receive this Gopal mantra from Devi Kamak. Then Mathur Brahman, he became very surprised. Yeah, how did you know? I received this mantra from Devi Kamaksha. And that mantra, I also received this mantra in my dream. And this. Then Mathur Brahman completely surrendered lotus feet of Gopakumar. Then Gopakumar told him, Mathur Brahman, listen, how I attain Golok Vrindavan, listen my life history. Actually, this is called the relation between Guru and disciple. Mantra is very powerful. If you chant this mantra, Gopal mantra, Brahma Murta, and if you chant Gopal mantra in Brahma Murta, then automatically realization will come. Or if you chant this mantra and after Brahma Murta, realization will not come. And everybody have to chant mantra. Naam mantra actually we chant which time? Brahma Murta. So the Guruvasta we are singing, Srimad Guru Ashtakam Padhati Jaya Prajnath Brahma Murti Padhati Jaya Prajnath Jastena Vrinda Vananatha Sakshat Sevaiva Labha Janu Santaiva. And Naam mantra, you have to wake up early in the morning. Early in the morning means Brahma Murta. Brahma Murta means before sun rises, 1 hour 36 minutes. That is called Brahma Murta. If sun rises 6 o'clock, you have to wake up before 4:30. And after all your Suddha Sadachar, understand? Good behavior, taking bath and fresh everything and putting tilak and achman. Then you chant Gayatri mantra. Then realization will come. Otherwise you will wake up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and if you chant the Gayatri mantra, you will not get any fruits. Just you are doing, that is called what? Mechanical duty, useless also. You try to understand. Everybody have to wake up Brahma Murta. If you really to enter in Suddha Bhakti, and this life, if you attend to Lord, so you have to follow these rules. And otherwise, nothing. If you seek another thing, if I am seeing this, but if you want to practice devotional service, bhajan and sadhana, understand? Kali Yuga, that is actually no tapasya, no austerities. Kali Yuga only austerities. What is austerities? Nam Sankirtan. What time you will do Nam Sankirtan? Brahma Murta. Just to control your sleepiness. Don't sleep as like Kumbhakarna. Understand? When you are sleeping in Achyuta Priya's house there. Ararar. I don't know. Just I cannot sleep also. And yeah, too much. Midnight they also talking. So much noise. And then after 1 o'clock they have to sleep, start to sleep, then continuously snoring. So how to sleep? right? No. If you really to practice devotional service and do bhajan and sadhana, to have to wake up Brahma Murta. And before sun rises, 1 hour 36 minutes. And within this Brahma Murta, you have to chant your Gayatri mantra which you received from Guru. And even Nam Sankirtan also. Otherwise, how possible realization will come? How possible your last anger, enviousness, stupid nonsense will be removed from your heart? Even Kormis, they also wake up Brahma Murta. In our Shastra explain, if you sleep and Brahma Murta, actually Brahma Murta, Lakshmi Devi she is coming in your house. One Puran also explain this way, early in the morning, Brahma Murta, Lakshmi Devi understand? Who is Lakshmi Devi? The goddesses of fortune, Lakshmi Devi, who is giving wealth, money, everything. She comes every day and knocks your door, Brahma Murta. If you wake up, then she will give everything. Puran also explains many slokas is there. Even Kormis, what will say the devotee? Even the Kormis, they also wake up Brahma Murta. Understand this? I remember when I was a small boy, my mother wake up, everybody, wake up, Brahma Murta. Brahma Murta should be wake up and chant mantra, Gayatri mantra. Then you get fruits. Otherwise, if you chant, and how possible? And if you not chant holy names and Brahma Murti, what is it called? Gayatri mantra, how will you get fruits? And in our Mathura, we say, everybody have to wake up 3:30. Gurudev, he waked up 3:30. And Gurudev Nanan Goswami Maharaj, very strict in Mathura. And all brahmacharis alert. And that time, before attend to Mangalarti, you have to chant 16 rounds. After Mangalarti, again you chant 16 rounds. Before breakfast, everybody have to chant 32 rounds. And then another 32 rounds you have to chant before going to sleep in the midnight. Sleep. Every brahmachari have to chant 64 rounds. That time our temple was very strict. And otherwise Gurudev, he did not allow to stay in Mathura. Every brahmachari, senior or junior, no concession. You are saying, oh, I am junior or I am senior, I will chant less, I chant more. No, everybody have to chant 64 rounds every day. Do you understand? So I request to you, everybody have to chant your Gayatri mantra early in the morning. And then you can see what kinds of miracle coming. Miracle coming or not? Even Kormi, Gyani, Yogis, they also wake up early in the morning and they say, if you go any Kormi, Gyani's temple, even you go to the Mayavadi temple, understand this? They will wake up early in the morning. What you say? Even that, look at this, the Muslims also. They also wake up early in the morning and start to chant their prayers. Understand? When we are staying in where? Kashinagar in Bengal. Very close to our temple and the, what is it called? Muslim? Mosque there. early in the morning, 4:30, just 4:30. And they start to their prayers. Because I am saying, because every religious, not only Vaishnavas and everybody's, this is should be wake up Brahma Murta. For the here in the Gurvastaka explain, Brahma Murte patati prajatnat jastena vrinda bananat sakshat sevaiva labha jam santaiva bande Guru Sri Charana and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Gurvastaka, and last verse he glorified. That is called the Phalasruti. Phalasruti, understand? What is the Phalasruti?
The fruit of chanting the
if you get the fruit of chanting Nam, Mantra and Stop Stuti. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain, and what is he saying? Srimad Guru Ashtakam Eda Uchchai Brahma Muhurte Patati Prajatna Jastena Vrinda Bananatha Saksa. Uchchai means loudly. And as like Muslim, they are taking the mic. Understand? In our temple in Kashmir, very good. They all very loudly. And understand? 4 a.m. They wake up and taking loudly. And they also called all their all their Muslim. Very sweet words they are calling. 5 minutes before they calling. Please wake up. And after 5 minutes, all you chant their morning prayers. If you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, the same rules. Or if you are Kormi, Gyani, Jogi, Tapasi, same rules. Understand? You are saying, oh, we are Vaishnava. Our rules is no. All the religious people, the same rules. Understand? So in this verse, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Gurvastaka's last verse also explained, there is a Phalasruti, the Guru Ashtakam, the Gurvastakam. 8 verses, the glorification of Gurudev, Gurvastaka. You have to recite loudly. Uchchai, he has used this word. Uchchai. Uchchai means loud. Here loudly means you have to, at least you have to listen yourself. Samsara dhava nala nida lokam Thranaya karuna ghana ghanayatam Raptasa kalano gunarnavavasa Bande Guru Sri Charanaravind. Listen this. Then you will get the fruits. Brahma Murti Patati Prajatnat. Patati Prajatnat. Prajatna means very carefully, with love and affection. Recite Gurvastaka. Jastena Vrinda Bananatha Saksat. What is it? Jastena Vrinda Bananatha Saksat. Sevaiva Labha Janusa Anta Eva. Janusa Anta Eva means after giving up this body, then you will receive your transcendental constitutional power. That is called Sarvasiddhi. Then with your transcendental body, you attend to Golok Vrindavan and serve to divine couple Radha and Krishna with your transcendental body. Look how is powerful the Gurvastaka. But you have to chant Stop Stuti what time? Brahma Muhurte. He is saying Brahma Murte Patati Prajatnat. Jastena Vrindavananatha Saksa Sevaiva Labha Jansantaiva Bande Guru Sri Charanaravind. Kali Yuga Vaishnava, some our they are no my hard stage. Just wake up early in the morning. You sleep early, then wake up early. This is the way. You sleep and early, then wake up. Just I read Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur every day Every night he used to go sleep 8 o'clock and 8 p.m. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote his own life history. Night time 8 p.m. Then 12 o'clock he wakes up. So how many hours he slept? Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote 4 hours. Then he also wrote granthas. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote many granthas. And also chanted holy names, 64 rounds chanted holy names. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote in his own life history. So everybody should wake up early in the morning and chant your Gayatri mantra, then you will get realization. Many devotees chanting holy names, doing bhajan sadhana, but still realization not coming. Still they are not removed their unearthas, unwanted things, lust, anger, enviousness, stupid nonsense. Why? Because they are not proper way. And chanting holy names or proper way, not chanting Gayatri mantra. If you chant Gayatri mantra proper time and proper way. You understand my philosophy? This philosophy, you have to chant Gayatri mantra proper time and proper way. Then realization will come. 100% guaranteed. If you just 1 year, how many? Not many years. How many years? 1 year practice. Then realization will come. 100% guaranteed. 1 year continue, not break the flow. Then you can see. How many years? 1 year. समझ में आ रहा है? 1 साल केवल करो नियम. 1 year have to follow these rules. What they follow the rules? Wake up early in the morning, and chant Gayatri mantra, and then realize mantra is very powerful. So now coming in this way, Gopkumar, he told